ellipse in AutoCAD. So if you are an engineer or something related to field like drafting or designing, you already know the definition of ellipse, but I'm gonna recall that some basic fundamental dimensions of ellipse. It's here. So as you can see, this is the focal point. It's also called as a focus, F1 and F2. This is called as the center of ellipse. This is semi-minor axis, and this is a vertex. This is a co-vertex, and this is semi-major axis. So from here to here you can see as a semi-major. But if you see the full length from this vertex to the other side of the vertex, it's a major axis, and from this vertical vertex to the other side of the vertical vertex, it's minor axis. So using this fundamental of the ellipse, we're gonna use the AutoCAD and draw the ellipse. You can use the different designs. So we'll start with the ellipse here. So it's asking, you can whether do by clicking here or just simply type EL. So it says ellipse. So you can do ellipse by end point of ellipse, it's arc, center, or end point. So we're gonna start with the end points. So first of all, I'm gonna start the ortho mode. Okay, so first I'm gonna start with 10 and 10, and now I'll specify the other endpoint, or can specify the distance of major axis. So I'll just write down is as a 20, and right now it's asking me distance for semi-minor axis, which is I need just a 5, because what I'm trying to do is the ellipse with the eccentricity of 0.5, so it's gonna be 10 for the minor axis and 20 for the major axis. So I already choose 20 for major axis. I'll use semi-minor axis as just unit 5. So you can see this ellipse. I'm gonna do the dimension for from this point, which is semi-minor axis. You can see here, and it's pretty small. I'm gonna change the dimension style later. Now we're gonna take distance from here to here, which is our major axis. So guys, you can see it's 5, and here you can see it's 20. So this is our ellipse using the endpoint and major axis distance and semi-minor axis distance. So I'm gonna use the other one is a center. So I'll type C, enter. So it's asking me center. I'll take right now somewhere here. Okay, now it's asking me for a distance for the major axis. So again it's gonna be 20, and now it's asking me for the distance from a vertex, so which is I'll just do 8. So this is our ellipse using the center points of center of the ellipse is here, and distance from the focus, it is linear eccentricity, which is just 8. So that's our ellipse using the eccentricity and distance of eccentricity and center point. So that's it for today. If you have any question, you can type in a comment and I'll answer your any question. If I miss something, I'll definitely try to explain you in a comment. Thank you so much. You have a good day.